Let me film him a little eating. I've never seen him eat like this. Okay, Ian, Roshan, Ian, sit down over here because that's where we eat. Okay.
No, I'm full.
Why is the chair full? Oh, there was bags on it. Okay, it's not your fault. Ian, leave it be. Ian, sit down there. I'll fix that, okay? I'll fix it.
Mama, Daddy, Mama, this chair. Bus.
Go get him that drop, Steve.
Oh, this one, 30 more seconds.
All right.